Uthuthuria wa Njohi Thumu niguo kumenya kiria giacungiriire gikuo kia aikari a Kangai ni wambikitwo ni Ruhonge rwa Kuramata Ihoto cia Muingi. Guku ritana ria kuhingura Thitago kuri Mabithaa a Thirikari aria maremetwo ni kugitira mioyo ya Akenya kwambikwo. Njohi ino Thumu ni icungiriire ikuo cia makiria ma andu 10, oho igitiga amwe ao mari atumumu makiurwo ni maitho mao.
10 people dead. There are up to 20 who are reported to have been affected with blindness and have been treated in various hospitals and health service providers in the county. Our investigation has shown that in the Kirinyaga West sub-county, in the villages of Kangai and Kandongu, there is an outlet where this proprietor operates his illicit business.
Akiaria Andiki amahoro, Profesa Mutugi ni akomithete iko ici, guku akiuga ni undu wake hakuona mwikoiro akoretwo akiruta wira wa irafu ici igiri mwena wa Kangai na Kagodu atari na marua. Kuringana nake ni undu wake hakuona kimwe gia kirafu giake no makinya manini kuma ofisini ya munini wa County Commissioner akiongerera ati itura riri rina cifu munini wa cifu na athuri a itura no monjoria akoretwo agitwarithia na mbere wira wake atari na guoya. Neugite ni akwambika uthuthuria.
We are looking at the ODPP who is in charge of prosecuting. Now, if these people are prosecuted, this man is prosecuted with various offenses and he's fined and going back home and continuing his business, where is the gap in our legal system, in our provincial administration? Where is the gap? Is it okay for him to be arrested, fined, he pays the fine and continues in this business? Where is the gap? We are concerned because this is an issue of the right to health. We are concerned because this is an issue of the right to health. These people who have lost their sight, if it is not reversible and it is permanent, it means that there are years of productive years lost for these people. It affects their life.